And here is your living area. Now the living area it comes with this L-shaped granite slab. We enter the master bedroom, which is of 12.1. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom-most price guarantee. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और एक enquiry पे आपको आते हैं multiple calls. At Housey ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे developer के साथ. Well, at Housey आज मैं एकता कपूर कहाँ पर आई हुई हूँ? मैं आई हुई हूँ at Vision Altia by Vision Creative Group. इनके जो सैम्पल फ्लैट्स हैं जो 3 BHKs हैं उसकी रेंज है फ्रॉम 895 to 1004 स्क्वायर फीट की. आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ इनका कोजी येट कॉम्पैक्ट एंड ब्यूटिफुली क्रिएटेड 895 स्क्वायर फीट का 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट. बने रहिए मेरे साथ क्योंकि काफी कुछ है उस फ्लैट में देखने लायक. आपको बस ये करना है कि आपको चलना है मेरे साथ. चलिए देखते हैं. And here we are in the 895 square feet cozy, compact yet very beautiful 3 BHK apartment. Here we enter into the house और enter करते ही आपको देखने मिलती है एक lobby और ना कि सीधे घर, which is a very good part because that is how the privacy of the house is maintained. Let's come inside and let me show you more. Now this lobby area, which includes this area behind the door, is about 3.8 by 5.5 square feet. There is this elevation that has been provided over here which can accommodate your shoe racks and storage units as well. And here is your living area. Now the living area is of approximately 10.7 by 17.5 square feet, which is excluding the dining area, which is of 4.2 by 11 square feet. Let's first very quickly take a look at the balcony because this is what caught my eye the moment I entered the house. The balcony, which is of 10.7 by 5 square feet, is indeed a beautiful one because it is covered from 3 sides and comes with this toughened glass railing and a wooden fixture over here, which is very good, and it comes with these anti-skid tiles and also an additional provision over here with an electric socket so that maybe you can have a cute little workstation right over here. Now let's get back into the dining area and the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't have a wall as such because they've kept it very easily accessible to the living and dining area, and the kitchen over here is of approximately 8.5 by 9.5 square feet. And I must say you should check out the dry utility area. Though it is enclosed, it is 4.5 by 6.8 square feet. This can accommodate a very big washing machine and a dishwasher together because it's pretty big. Unlike a regular rectangular format, it is almost square, which makes it pretty movable right over here. And they've also provided a big window for perfect ventilation and lighting. Coming back to your kitchen, it comes with this L-shaped granite slab and pretty high placed यहाँ पे tiles दिए हुए हैं, because of which there is no spillage that happens and your walls can stay clean. Let's move towards the bedrooms. As I mentioned earlier that this is a 3 BHK apartment, all your bedrooms are strategically located in one area. So right over here next to your dining area is the common toilet. The common toilet is of approximately 4.5 by 6.1 square feet and comes with these vitrified tiles on the wall and anti-skid flooring as well. Right outside is the wash basin that you just saw. Now these 2 bedrooms, they do not have an attached washroom. The master bedroom does, but these 2 bedrooms do not have it, and that's the reason I specified it's a cozy yet comfortable 3 BHK. Let's come inside and check this. You can call it a study or a bedroom because it is of 8.2 by 10.2 square feet, and it comes with this window over here which is a very good height. Now it starts right from the bottom, it goes right up over here, comes with a sliding window and a mosquito net and this grill over here. Because of the length of it, they have provided this grill so that there is safety but still good ventilation and good lighting as well. While we're walking towards the rest of the rooms, let me also tell you that Housey is the only place where you can see sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, actual project location tours, and also project overview videos. Along with the pros and cons that you need to know, you also need to know the all-inclusive pricing. ये कहाँ मिलेगा? ये यहीं मिलेगा आपको सब कुछ at one place, and that is this link that's mentioned right below the screen. Quickly go and register on this link so that you can download an e-brochure in which you will get all the other details that you need to know. and you can also book your project site visit with just 3 simple clicks. Once you've done that, come with me so that we can visit this project together. Let's go and let me right now show you the rest of the rooms. Here is the next bedroom, which is comparatively bigger. It's 10.3 by 10.2 square feet, and it has the same window that we talked about in the previous room, with an iron railing over here, sliding doors, and a mosquito net. And now it's time to finally check out the master bedroom of this cozy house. Right over here, we enter the master bedroom, which is of 12.1 by 11 square feet and has an attached toilet to it, as I mentioned earlier. Now, this one is of approximately 4.6 by 7.9 square feet, and if you notice, the tiles are also different. They are little designer tiles, and also the CP sanitary fittings are different. Now it's time to check out the balcony. Yes, the master bedroom has a balcony. It is a compact 3 BHK, but it is a cozy and a luxurious one, and that's the reason the master bedroom sports a balcony. Let's go and check this. The balcony is of 6 by 5.1 square feet, and it comes with these wooden railings over here, toughened glass ones, anti-skid flooring, and a covered balcony also. Now, you saw this property on Housey, but you have to quickly go and register yourself on Housey so that you don't miss out on visiting such beautiful projects. Thank you.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Altia, located in Ravet, Pune by Vision Creative Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.